Hi again. I'd like to now review a fragrance from the house of Coty. This is the famous house that was founded by Sicilian-born Frenchman called François Coty in the late 19th century or the early 20th century. He was most famed for creating the first Chypre called Chypre, which inspired legends like Mitsuko by Guerlain, and it was a very successful fragrance house that came up with very rich and um, very textured kind of fragrances. Now this one that I'm reviewing is called Ampreview, that came out in 1965, the first fragrance in 25 years when it came out from the house of Coty. You might have heard of Coty even now because it is churning out lots of rather forgettable scents which accord with today's kind of characterless fragrances, perfumes. One of which I have is called Gravity. It's a men's cologne. It fades very fast and it has no, it's not memorable at all. So this dates from a time which still connects with the rich tradition before it was taken over. It was taken over by, I believe, the drug company Pfizer 2 years before this one came out in 1963. This one has become one of my favorite Chypre fragrances. It combines woodsiness, greenness, and leatheriness in one almost seamless progression. It is just melded these three characteristics very well. From the bottle, it smells almost sweet, but you can already detect the dense greenness or conifer kind of greenness from the bottle, and almost immediately the woods poke through, and it then develops into a little bit of a leathery, a mild leathery kind of quality. And if today's scents were to be considered like desserts, because a lot of candied fruity florals today, this one is the main course. It is really very rich. This bottle is for the Parfum Extrait or Extrait de Parfum. They've also got Parfum de Toilette and Eau de Toilette, which I've not had the chance to purchase, but this one is really well worth the expenditure. It is really very deep and textured. In the advertisement that when it came out, there's this caption that says spring is an all year, now spring can be an all year thing. So it reminds you of spring because of its greenness. And it also the word imprévu in French means unexpected, and I think that was one of their slogans in advertising as well. So it really develops in an unexpected way because it starts off green and then it morphs into woodiness, and then it morphs rapidly into leatheriness, and it's just wonderful and rich and surprising. So the name really fits the fragrance for this one. So if you have a chance to try this one out, it's long discontinued of course, but if you have a chance to spot this and buy it, please do give it a try, especially those of you like me who like Chypres very much. Thank you for watching.